you're still a hunter-gatherer, and your body knows it. Your body doesn't care about DoorDash, TikTok, or your fancy smartwatch. It still thinks you're living 30,000 years ago, hunting, gathering, fasting, moving, resting. Modern life? It's convenient, but to your biology, it's chaos. Humans today are physiologically still Upper Paleolithic hunter-gatherers. Our metabolism, hormones, immune system, even our brain chemistry, are all forged in an environment of scarcity, movement, natural food, and deep sleep. But now we're flooded with ultra-processed food, 24/7 dopamine, and artificial everything. It's no wonder we're sick, fat, tired, and anxious. We're wild animals trapped in a zoo of our own making. Let's talk diets. The ketogenic and paleo diets work, not because they're trendy, but because they align with how your body evolved. Keto, it mimics fasting and fat-burning states our ancestors hit naturally. It stabilizes blood sugar, reduces inflammation, and can reverse metabolic dysfunction. Paleo, it cuts out the grains, seed oils, processed sugars, returning you to meat, fish, fruits, veggies, nuts, and tubers. Not perfect, but miles ahead of what most people eat today. Here are the top 5 real foods your Paleolithic body will thank you for. Fats: avocado, wild salmon, extra virgin olive oil, pastured eggs, grass-fed beef tallow. Proteins: grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish, pasture-raised chicken, lamb, sardines. Vegetables: kale, spinach, broccoli, asparagus, red bell peppers. Fruits, in moderation: blueberries, raspberries, avocado, blackberries, pomegranate. Nuts and seeds: walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, macadamias, pumpkin seeds. These are your ancestors' foods and nutrients, not marketing. Now let's call out the frauds. These foods are biologically incompatible with the human body. If you eat them, you're choosing dysfunction. Worst offenders: seed oils, canola, soybean, corn, high fructose corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, aspartame, sucralose, refined grains, white flour, breakfast cereals, ultra-processed snacks, and fast food. These ingredients are not food. They're lab experiments. Your DNA has no idea what to do with them, except store them as fat and trigger inflammation. You cannot out-supplement, out-exercise, or out-hustle a toxic diet. So ask yourself, are you feeding your ancient body like it's a wild human, or like it's disposable? You're not broken. You're just biologically out of place. Real food, real movement, real sleep. This isn't about dieting. It's about remembering what your body is and giving it what it was built to thrive on.